Hi, today at Garfin's Creation, let's make this Thecha wala chicken. It's simple and yet tantalizing and spicy. Must try for chicken lovers. So I've listed the ingredients in the description and over here too. So to begin with, I'll just heat 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, we'll be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanuts. We need to fry these peanuts till they are half done. When they start getting a little brown, we'll add the garlic and the green chilies. I've just taken 4 green chilies. You can add more for even more fiery taste. You will get a nice more zanzanit flavor. So we need to just roast all of this till the peanuts are nice and crispy and well cooked. Once this is cooled down, we need to grind them. Along with this, we'll just be adding a little coriander and salt. Though I'll be grinding this in a mixie jar, you can also use a mortar pestle to grind it. That's the best to get the best results from the Thecha. Now I'll just pulse it. We do not have to make a paste. It has to be coarse and thick. So just a few pulses is enough to get the right texture for this recipe. So this is done and I'll just take it out in a bowl. Do not use any water for grinding this. Next into this paste we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of curds and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now give this all a nice mix. So this is our base marination. And if you are vegetarian, you can also add paneer instead of the chicken. Now once this is done, I'll be using 2 chicken breasts. I've given some nice deep slit for it so that the chicken marination goes well inside it and it also cooks better. Apply the marination all over, even in the slits. Now we have to keep this for marinating for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can pan fry it or even air fry it. For pan frying sake, I'll just be using a little oil in a fry pan. Once the oil is heated, add in the chicken breast and also add in some more of the Thecha marination over it. Now we need to fry the chicken on low to medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Also check in between. Once the below part is done, you can then flip it up and continue cooking on the other side as well. If you prefer, you can add more oil too. I like to keep the oil as minimum, so just use a little oil. So once you have cooked the chicken on both the sides and it gets a nice charred brown color, you can take it off. So once this chicken is done, you can just cut it into slices and then just mix it up in the same pan with the marination and serve it with some onions too. Next, you can also do it in an air fryer. Add the chicken breast into the air fryer and top it up with some more of the marination. Then spray in some oil. And then this can be air fried at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes on one side. And then after 10 minutes, we will flip it over and continue frying this for another 8 to 10 minutes. So once the first 10 minutes are over, you take it out, flip it over, sprinkle some more oil and then continue cooking it for another 8 to 10 minutes. This Thecha chicken is just hot. If you want it even more fiery hot, you can increase the amount of the green chilies. This is just simple, easy and too delicious to have it along as a starter or as a side dish. To get that extra flavor from the Thecha, once the chicken is fried well, I'll just cut it into slices and then just mix it along with the remaining Thecha masala and serve it as you like it. Though simple, this recipe is full of flavors. Do try it and leave a comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon again in another recipe too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.